So also nowadays it's like failed relationships, benching, and so many terms coming in. Do you think that love has taken a back seat? Benching, like it's a bench, so two people are on the same bench. It's like you have a plan B. So if one goes, then another is there. So I mean, see, pyar kitna zyada, it's sali mohabbat nowadays.
But I tell you, the only thing which really is fascinating about this is that how aware people are about this emotion of love.
Yeah.
Like we always talk about, when you are in love, they're not in.
Outside.
They are on, at,
that's
or whatever.
That's like social media though, right?
Yeah.
That's the
This
same
objectivity for an emotion.
Exactly. Yeah. Detached. That's. Yeah. Yeah. You're just watching it.
It's amazing.
From a weird.
But love has taken a back step, back seat. So what do you have to say about that? कि आज के ज़माने में do you think कि प्यार सिर्फ नाम के लिए है, लोग कर भी नहीं, मतलब कर नहीं रहे?
कर तो रहे हैं, देखो ऐसी बात नहीं है. I think वो उसका ना डेफिनेशन बदल गया है. जो लोग बेंचिंग या वो भी कह रहे हैं, मे बी देखो पहले शायद ये भी होता था, आपने एक को हाँ बोल दिया, अब आप उसके लिए ही, क्योंकि आपने हाँ बोला है, आप निभाते जा रहे हैं. मे बी नाउ दे वांट टू टेक देयर ओन टाइम एंड डिसाइड कि मुझे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, इसी इंसान के साथ आगे जाना है कि नहीं. इट कुड बी अबाउट ऑप्शंस आल्सो. सी, it has to change with time, is what I believe in. Yeah, if you're consciously doing something, playing with someone's heart or emotion, that's not the right thing to do.
Yeah.
But if you're taking your time in deciding, that's okay. That's okay, according to me.
I think these things existed always, right?
Yeah.
People were always
but now they're more open.
No, yeah, I think they're more open, but I think value systems are shifting, I think, somewhere. And at least for the sake of being there. I mean, I'm not saying that they were always there and followed, but at least there was a sake of decor. Like there was a idea of culture or system of certain things. And I think now maybe it's shifting or something. But
this involvement of social media has
yeah.
made everything look really ugly now.
Yeah.
But things have always been, I'm sure things are always the same, right? Like I remember my grandparents also cheating on each other. I mean, not my grandparents, their generation must have done that.
Yeah.
I mean,
like पहले भी लोग
but I think
दो
we're
शादियां एक गांव
normalizing
में,
it
एक
now.
शहर में.
Exactly.
They used to do that, right?
I know. The other day
I think the other thing is that people have got names for things.
Yeah.
No, exactly.
So it's like, okay, ghosting, benching.
It's become a fancy thing,
So it's everything's got nomenclature.
Yeah.
Which earlier I think it was just wo ho raha tha to wo ho raha tha. The other thing is that sex isn't the currency that it used to be. Earlier it was to have sex was like, oh my God, now I am with this person for life because I've, had sex with this person. People are not taking it so seriously in the current times. So, it's like, okay, you hooked up with somebody and then you're, unless you've said otherwise and said, okay, because I've hooked up with you and then my expectation is this and this, it could just be for that night or for that month or for that year or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily that the outcome of having a sexual interaction with somebody means that you are in a committed relationship, which was earlier not the case.
And now the term is fling.
Fling has always been there.
Yeah.
In England, I think I've heard it's called something. I don't know. It's not called a booty call at all. It's called something else. Apparently, this new generation, they don't like to go out and drink because drinking.
Yeah, right. It has
they
reduced
go and have
considerably.
sex. So they go and have sex with different people, but not drink. I was like, please guys, go drink. No? Like, drinking is not that bad. I mean, I'm not promoting alcohol, but things are changing so fast.
Yes.
To grasp the